Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome to your French class. My name is Professeur Aurélie Chevant-Aksoy, but it's a little long, right? So you can call me Professeur Chevant. Thank you so much for starting your journey in French with me. So to start this journey, I thought that I would share 5 fun facts about me so that you get to know me better. Fact number 1. I come from a little town in the center of France called Billon. It's right here. It's actually a small medieval town. And here it is. Fact number 2. I love learning languages and I love learning about different cultures. And if you're in this class, maybe you do too. Hopefully you do too. I speak French, English, Spanish, a little bit of Italian, of Portuguese, and of Turkish. Fact number 3. I love teaching. I can say it's in my blood. My parents were middle school teachers, math and English. My sister is an English teacher in France. My husband is an English professor, and my in-laws are professors, math and econ. Fact number 4. This is my little dog, Sage, and Sage is the class mascot. She may show up on Zoom, and I often use her in my examples. Fact number 5. Even though I grew up in the countryside and I live in a rural area in France, I hate hens. I don't know why. I don't want to be near them. Nope. No thanks. So that's it for me now. I can't wait to hear and read more about you. So this semester, we'll discover how to talk in French about your daily life, things you like and dislikes, so things that make you you,